One of San Antonio's largest school districts is working to get more kids back to campus for in-person learning on the path forward. Only half of the children enrolled with the San Antonio Independent School District have returned to campuses.
Well, our Joe Galley is here for you with how a hands-on approach to learning at one SAISD middle school could motivate more kids to come back.
This one's jalapenos. It was like our first plant day that we did.
Aisha Blanco is an 8th grader at Lowell Middle School. She dreams of one day being a professional baker. The skills she's learning with the school's new gardening project could help her grow her own ingredients. Blanco, like so many of her classmates, struggled to learn virtually.
Do you think you learn more doing stuff like this that's hands-on?
100%. I feel it's more interactive and you get to see all these great things, and it's better than sitting in home on your kitchen table in front of a laptop computer.
A recent study by the Horace Mann Educators Corporation shows that more than half of teachers in public schools report significant education drop-offs for kids learning virtually, especially for minority students and kids with disabilities. Educators are seeing the same thing at Lowell Middle School, but new learning experiences like the garden project might entice some kids to come back.
We're trying to bring some positivity back, trying to make school fun, trying to make this a place where kids feel safe, make it feel like a place that they want to come to school every day.
Any student at the school can learn in the garden. The project is being paid for with a grant.
Schools in SAISD will continue to follow COVID safety protocols, which include social distancing and wearing masks. Joe Galley, News 4 San Antonio.
We have new video tonight.